I'm Dr. Dana Carson. I'm standing here in front of the Carson Academy of Kingdom Excellence here in Mukuru Njinga in Nairobi, Kenya. Want to just take time out to thank some of you for being partners, but also to ask others to become partners with our chanceglobal.org project, where we're giving children access to education and nutrition and care. We're so excited about what's going on here. A couple of the kids here, they're still waiting to get their uniforms. One here, you can see she has on her new uniform and her shoes, extra set in the bag. And we're so excited about what God is doing here. Want to just ask you to really pray about becoming a partner. Many of you support in other programs and other ventures, but I'd like you to consider supporting what we do here in Nairobi, Kenya. We really want you to really think about and pray about supporting our venture. We are now offering education to 440 students, pre-unit to the 8th grade. After a year, we're going to be offering 9th grade, 10th grade, 11th, and 12th grade education. And our goal is to connect these students also with HBCUs in the United States for college education. And so please pray about supporting this project. For a seed of $60 US dollars, you could support a full uniform for the children, including their shoes, backpack, and their attire. So please sow a seed. I know the Lord will bless you. Jesus said that when I was hungry, you fed me. When I was in prison, you came to visit me. And when I was naked, you clothed me. He said you would ask, when did I do that, Jesus? He said, when you do it to the least of them. Make no mistake, the value of their lives are equal to the value of each one of our lives. And your seed helps them to become what God has created them to be. So thank you so much. Once again, support us. Go to our website, chanceglobal.org. This is Dr. Dana Carson at the Carson Academy of Kingdom Excellence. Kids, you want to wave and say hi? Say hi to them. Hi, hi, amen.